Hello, everyone. Welcome to Sensible Home Studio, your place for decorating ideas for your home and celebrations. My name is Gretchen, and today I'm sharing the celebration of my family's 191st anniversary of a historic community of Gum Springs, Virginia, in Fairfax County. The celebration took place a few months ago at the George Washington's Mount Vernon, but a recent segment on GMA of the Altadena, California fires made me think of our historic community and the pride that we place in it. We still have many family members who live in the community. Although there is some dark history, there's also much triumph and achievement within our community. With so few black historic communities in existence, we can proudly say ours is still thriving and diverse. Gum Springs is the site of what was a prosperous farming community founded in 1833 by Wes Ford. He was the patriarch of this free black community. He was a former slave of George Washington's Mount Vernon, and some believe to be his son. There's two historic churches which I still have family members attending. It's Bethlehem Baptist Church and also Woodlawn United Methodist Church. They've recently changed names, but it's still a Methodist church that my family attends. And my brother stands proud at the marker of the church we attended. Our Carter family is only one of the numerous ones that are still in this community, and a group of us left my home and we joined the other family members to enjoy this celebration. I love the old photo they had on the program because they were celebrating then and we were celebrating now. Tony Perkins, the News 4 anchor, was our MC for the evening with the keynote speaker of the House of Virginia's delegates, Don Scott. There were other dignitaries and a host of committee members to make this night special. The event occurred within the Mount Vernon Museum with beautifully set tables flanked around the replica dollhouse I shared in the beginning of the video. As a dollhouse collector, this was icing on the cake for me. The music and the cuisine was spectacular. It was great seeing all the people we hadn't in years. We had five of our elder family members in attendance, including my aunt and son from Buffalo, New York, and one from Arizona. The community was founded by the Woodbury family in 1885. Altadena is one of the most integrated communities in Southern California. Once made up of prominent residents attracted by its climate, rural ambience, and the delights of nearby Pasadena, it has changed over the years. Its present day 43,000 diverse population is a result of national issues of that day, including lawsuits over school integration, neighborhoods carved apart by new freeways, and redevelopment conflicts of the 60s and the 70s. It prompted half of Altadena's population to leave in a flurry of white flight. The new residents were mainly people of color. That's reverse gentrification. Although the Altadena and Gum Springs communities were established under different circumstances, their historic significance shouldn't disappear. I applaud GMA for spotlighting Altadena and hope that you'll join me in prayers for them and donating whatever your heart leads you to. I'll place a link in the drop down box with the information that I have found. And this is my prayer for them. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine on you, be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face towards you and give you peace. Remember to like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for great decorating and celebration ideas. Thanks for watching.